proud to announce that we've been nominated for the first time in the World's Leading Cabin Crew category at the prestigious World Travel Awards 2020.
Our guests are at the heart of everything we do, and we are delighted that our hard work and dedication has been recognized.
If you have experienced and loved the warmth and hospitality of our authentic Bruneian service, we really appreciate your support to vote for Royal Brunei Airlines.
Please visit flyrb.com/vote now. Voting ends 25th October 2020. Together,
Let's make Brunei proud!